Hi friends, welcome to our new PHP project, e-commerce website tutorial. This is our second video of the tutorial. On the first video we have learned how to create a header with main menu bar and create a home slider. In today's video we will learn how to create a store features introduction part, add a preloader, fix the header main menu bar on the top while scrolling the page. Let's start the project.
Before starting, if you forgot to subscribe my channel, then at first subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
On the previous video, we have learned to create a header with menu bar and to create home slider. Every menu link is working and perfectly showing the submenu while mouse over on the link. Animation on the search bar is also working. Home sliders are working perfectly. I have used 4 sets of the feature box here, but you can use 2, 3 sets of the feature box as per your choice. You can use any of the font awesome icons in the feature box. Write the feature header paragraph as per your choice. Go to the style.css file and write some CSS properties for the feature section. Now we will add the preloader for the website. What is preloader? Preloaders are what you see on the screen while the rest of the page's content is still loading. Preloaders are used to keep visitors entertained while server operations finish processing. Now we will add some script on theme.js file to fix the header main menu bar on the top while scrolling the page. For checking whether the header main menu bar scripting is working or not, I have copied whole the feature section and pasted twice. In the next two videos, we will complete the home page design. Please stay with us for more updates.